Good morning, each and everyone. On behalf of Bella English Medium School, I principal wish you all a very happy Independence Day. You all know every year a cultural program in which children perform is organized at the Independence Day event in our school. But due to COVID situation, we celebrate 74th Independence Day without our students. But I hope you all celebrating this auspicious occasion at your home. According to report, due to COVID situation, this year's celebration at the Red Fort on 15th August is likely to consist of only Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech, a 21 gun salute, the national anthem and the unfurling of the national flag. This auspicious occasion, I would like to share few words with you. Today, we celebrate the 74th Independence Day of our great nation. On this joyous occasion, I convey my greetings and good wishes to all the Indians living in this beautiful country and pray for their peace, progress and prosperity. On this auspicious day, 74 years ago, India attained freedom from colonial rule and the people of our country became the masters of their destiny. All in all, the past 74 years have been momentous, despite serious challenges on varied fronts, including several attacks on the territorial integrity of India. We have been able to keep the flame of democracy burning bright, and today India is looked upon as the largest and most vibrant democracy in the world. The struggle for Indian independence began with the first war of Indian independence in 1857. Although not fully a success, this revolt showed the seed for a new force, which was to take this struggle to its rightful end. As British operations strengthened, so did the urge to attain the freedom from it. This urge found voice in the form of many great leaders such as Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, to name a few. These great patriots, along with a lot unnamed freedom fighters, sacrificed their lives for the cause of the nation. But the sad thing is that today terrorism constitutes a grave threat to the civilized world. The continuing terrorist attacks are reminders of the need to take collective action by the entire world. The population of our country has reached over 1 billion people, while only one-third of them are able to read. Due to various social and economic problems, India's education program continues to be undercut. Of the biggest victims of the educational system are those living in rural areas. On a positive note, India has always had a vision and a message for the world. From the very beginning of our civilization, we have believed that the world is one and humanity is a single family. India is committed to establish ties of friendship and cooperation with all countries. India's engagement with the world is intensifying both in the economic and political fields. India is a country that has and is contributing to regional and global peace and stability. I believe our country will continue to work with the international community to create a better world, a world free of terror, poverty, disease, ignorance and inequality. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
वंदे मातरम। थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम, क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम। है हमें जाना कहाँ चले हैं कहाँ पे हम, हमसे पूछे है ये मादरे वतन।
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे।
जाना है तारों से आगे अपना रुकेंगे हम, एक नई सुबह जगाए सारे जहां पे हम, हिम्मत करे आगे बढ़े हम नए रास्तों पे हम।
Independence Day. So we are singing this song for a tribute to those freedom fighters who sacrificed their life to bring freedom in our country. We are also giving a tribute to the brave soldiers who are protecting us day by day.
I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indians. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian.
It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indians. It's a country of great people. It's a country of brave leaders. It's a country of great people. It's a country of brave leaders.
It's a country of sacrifices. It's a country of secularity.
It's a It's a country of powerful armies. It's a country of strong soldiers. It's a country of powerful armies. It's a country of strong soldiers. It's a country of unity. It's a country of diversity. It's a country of unity. It's a country of diversity. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian.